Hello friends, again warm welcome to Fisheries Only, Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, a educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to share one more video regarding the aquarium. In this video we are going to discuss what is aquarium, introduction of aquarium, types of aquarium depending on many aspects. Now previously the Chinese and Japanese people having a blur idea or about the keeping or observing the beauty of fishes. The Chinese emperor, they observing the orange goldfish, that is the goldfish, golden goldfish, by keeping in a container like a glass jar container, like a glass jar container. In previously in before in of the 12th century also. Japanese people also they observing the beauty or colorness or gracious movement of these aquarium fishes, that is colorful beauty of these fishes, by keeping in this in a container which is transparent, maybe a glass jar like that. In modern days this aquarium having a modernized, and in previously in 12th and 13th century there is a lack of the scientific knowledge, lack of the ecology or ecological concept of the aquarium, how to keep aquarium and manage the aquarium. That's why there is many problem. But in the modern days there is very modifications are came, and very scientific knowledge, thorough knowledge are now available to keep these aquarium fishes in a healthy as well as in a flourishing way, so as to increase the beauty of the home as well as the garden as well as the hospital or any other, in order to observe the beautiful colors as well as the graceful movement of these aquarium fishes. An Englishman in 1861 called Philip Gauze, he designed the first aquarium in the London Zoo. He is the large scale commercial aquarium is established by him in a London Zoo, which is managed by scientifically managed, and the term aquarium also introduced or coined by this Philip Gauze, which is 1861. And the aquarium, first largest aquarium is established in London Zoo in 1853. After establishing an aquarium, the aquarium terms he introduced in 1861. That is the English scientist, English zoologist. He kept the aquarium in a London Zoo and managed aquarium scientifically way. Previously, aquarium is known as a vivarium, vivary, and after introduction of the coin by the aquarium by Philip Gauze, it is known as aquarium. Aquarium is nothing but the keeping of the colorful as well as the plants or other invertebrates which are colorful and having a gracious movement. They are kept in a container like a transparent container, like a glass container, and they can get for observing this beauty. The purpose of keeping aquarium is to observe the beauty, to change the mood of the family members, to change the nervousness of the people. We have to observe the beauty. Some third patients are also advised to watch the aquarium movement, this graceful movement or colorful aquarium fishes, so as to minimize the risk and stress on these human beings. These are the benefits of aquarium, are mostly used for the experimental purpose also. Some experiments are also carried out in the aquarium. Aquarium may be of small size, like a home aquarium may be up to 1 foot by 3 foot or 1 foot by 2 foot size, or maybe it is large aquarium like a oceanarium. It is a large, biggest aquarium is also found. Aquarium also is mostly having importance about the educational purpose as well as the scientific and experimental purpose, then medicinal purpose, economics as well as the business point of view. These are the importance of the aquarium. Aquarium is not necessary that not only are kept for observing colorful animals like fishes only, not only fishes only, but also invertebrates and other animals also kept in the aquarium, other plants also kept in the aquarium, so as to enhance the beauty of the aquarium. Generally nowadays word aquarium is means we can imagine in the mind like that a glass container in which water is filled and the colorful fishes along with the necessary accessories are kept in that like that. These are the blunt idea of the aquarium. Aquarium is a scientifically managed, artificially installed aquatic ecosystem where the fishes can survive satisfactorily without any insufficiency of survival or flourishment need. That is the definition of aquarium, is that the aquarium is a scientifically managed, artificially installed aquatic ecosystem where fishes can survive and flourish without any insufficiency of needs for survival and their flourishment. In this aquarium, fish can grow, can mature and reproduce also. Its color also become brighter and brighter like that. That is the healthy ecosystem, natural ecosystem, but it is a artificially managed ecosystem is there. That is the aquarium. The person who keeps the aquarium is called as aquarist. Aquarist is a person who keeping the aquarium or keeping the fishes in a glass container and observe. Aquarists need to be sensitive feel towards the fishes as we are playing with the life of the fishes. That is, fish are the life and we are playing with the life of fishes. So the aquarist should have thorough knowledge of the biology, its food and feeding habit, diseases in the aquarium, and it's having a sensitive or affection toward the species, so that the fish environment, fish ecosystem should be as natural, that the fish have feel natural in a habitat. That's the main purpose of the aquarist, to have its keep the fishes in a healthier way, so he can have a better knowledge, also scientific information and many other accessories he should keep in the aquarium. There are various sizes of the aquariums, like a small aquarium to large size aquariums are also present, depending upon the purpose and where they can keep. Now we discuss the types of aquarium. Types of aquarium are depends on various aspects. First we will see the types of aquarium depends upon the waters which fill in it. That is, first one is a freshwater aquarium. Freshwater aquarium is nothing but the aquarium container or glass container in which fresh water is filled and freshwater plants and animals are kept in that along with necessary accessories. That is called as a freshwater aquarium. In freshwater aquarium are mostly kept in our houses, such as kept maybe in a guest room, maybe kept in bedrooms, or maybe kept in halls like that. In waiting rooms will also kept. It mostly be kept in many hospitals, any psychiatrists having these types of aquarium, any other decorative purpose we can use. This is a small size aquarium where the colorful fishes, freshwater colorful fishes along with necessary accessories and toys are with aerations are kept here. That is called as a freshwater aquarium. Second one is a marine water aquarium. Marine water aquarium is a aquarium or glass container or any other big size aquarium in which marine water is filled and marine species are kept here. That is called as a marine water aquarium. In marine water aquarium mostly are associated or nearest to the ocean or seas. As we know, these are living in the marine organism are kept in that. The requirement is marine water. That's why the marine aquarium are mostly near to the sea or ocean or any shores where we can get the marine water. But we have kept the marine water away from the sea. There is a chances of the economical expenditure, more economical expenditure on transportation of the seawater from the sea to the our places. And even Malaysia and even in India, that is a big aquarium is developed. In big aquarium, one type of glass tunnel is developed in a ocean or sea, from where you can go in tunnel and observe the fishes from the dorsal side, ventral side or lateral side, or from any side we can observe, from the below, upper side, lateral side. That is the ocean. We have to protect by this tunnel. We have to enter in this glass tunnel and observe the all phylum present in the marine environment, that is ocean or sea. That is this aquarium, that is the biggest concept of aquarium, is called as the oceanarium or ocean area. Ocean area is nothing but the aquarium which is made by implementing tunnel, glass tunnel, in which we can stay and observe the beauty of the oceans, including fishes as well as invertebrates as well as plants and other whole ecosystem in the oceanarium. That is called as a ocean area or oceanarium. This one is the biggest marine water aquarium. In marine water aquarium, already seen the marine species and marine invertebrates and other animals and plants are kept for experimental purpose, for educational purpose, for preservation purpose, for conservation purpose, like that in freshwater fish, freshwater aquarium. Now we discuss the types of aquarium depends upon the placing site and purpose or aims of aquarium to keep. Depending on the aquariums are a home aquarium, experimental aquarium or laboratory aquarium or marketing aquarium, garden aquarium, zoo aquarium or museum aquarium. First one is the home aquarium. Generally, home aquarium is a freshwater aquarium, which is small size aquarium, which is kept in home, as well as we can kept in any hospitals or any physicians or psychiatric rooms. Also, we can keep in guest rooms or in a bedroom or hall. We can keep. This is a small size aquarium. Here the freshwater, mostly freshwater aquarium is home aquarium, in which freshwater aquarium fishes such as goldfish, molly and other platies and zebrafish and some other sharks, sucker fishes we can keep here, along with some plants and decorative equipments, some toys, also some background filling to this aquarium. These are the aquariums are kept in the home. These aquariums are kept in the home to increase the beauty of the home, to increase the beauty of our hall. These aquariums are kept. That is called as a home aquarium. Second one is a experimental aquarium or laboratory aquarium. These are the freshwater aquarium or marine water aquarium. These are where are kept in a laboratory to do the experiment on these animals, fishes as well as invertebrate or any other plants, such as a physiological experiment, nutritional experiment or a toxicological experiment we can carry out in this laboratory. That is called as a laboratory aquarium. The purpose is to carry out the experiment in the laboratory to observe the behavior of the species. These aquariums are used for that, to observe the behavior of fishes. Such type of aquarium is called as a laboratory aquarium or experimental aquarium. In this, there is no need of to keep the aesthetic accessories in this aquarium. Only just essential needs such as aerators and feeding cups and feeding accessories are only have to keep in this aquarium, instead of any aesthetic or any decorative inputs or accessories in this aquarium. Second one is a marketing aquarium. Marketing aquarium is are kept to advertise the colorful fishes or graceful movement of the fishes to the consumers, so as to they can buy and they can observe in these fishes also. In this aquarium, the fishes are kept with less accessories, so as to consumer can observe the colorful fishes. There is no obstacle due to any accessories. That's why the aquarium, marketing aquarium, are kept in the front of the door or in front of the gallery or in front of the terrace. These aquariums are kept in front of the cabin. Can keep this marketing aquarium for marketing purpose or to advertise the purpose. So buyer can come and observe and maybe take the aquarium fishes. This one, the marketing type is the garden type of aquarium. It is kept in a public garden or municipal garden, or in a, where it is where these aquariums are kept are of large size, specially designed of concrete and one side of glass. We can observe here, that is the three sides of tank is enclosed with the cement, concrete or bricks and plasters, and one side, that is observer sides, are facing with glass side, that is one side is glass side. These are the large size aquarium. They are kept in a garden or such as the municipal garden or public garden, where it may be. In these, all accessories such as the decorative purpose also attached here or installed here. Mostly the fishes are in combination or in a separate, they can keep for the observing purpose, including invertebrates also, other aquarium plants also we can keep here. This is the garden aquarium. Then another one is zoo aquarium. Another type is a zoo aquarium. In a zoo aquarium, colorful species are kept in isolation or in a friendly combination form in a zoo. The isolated species are provided with their natural or their own habitat or natural condition or natural ecosystem are maintained here. Generally, in a zoo, there is a special aquarium buildings where some rare, threatened and endangered as well as some routine fishes are kept and maintained, that is called as a zoo aquarium. Last one is a museum aquarium. Museum aquarium is a collection of animals where the animals are preserved and maintained in the fish museum to preserve some large to small size species of fish like endangered species or any extinct species. We can preserve like a chimera, large skeleton of the whales we can preserve in this museum, where this type of organism is not a piece of decoration, but it is a preserve some endangered species or fish species on the which are going to extinct or may be extincted. These are fishes are maintained and preserved here. This fish collection also sometimes preserved in this aquarium. Daily collection also sometimes be preserved in the museum. The collection from such type of aquaria is useful, a rare material for taxonomic studies, and this museum is mostly useful for taxonomical study and for the preservation of the skeleton or any specimens for the further studies. That is called as a museum aquarium. Hello friends, in this video we are discussing what is aquarium, aquarium's history, and their types of aquarium depend on the water or meaning use or aims of the aquarium or site of where the aquarium can place, depend upon the aquarium types we have studied in details. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, promote the channel, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.